go up. We influence, yeah, see me moving, yeah, I glow up. Every time I show up, I can flip my switch out. They act like they know us, but they ain't no dog, I'm big dog. Asking if it's still a flex, say they better go ask Booyah. Never think I'm gon' check, better pull up like whoa. Come to place and I'm the best, I ain't worried about none who y'all. 24, no rest, stand on business, I'm too tall. SOS, thought you was a threat, I do real life, do no tip attack. On the internet, we don't do that, see I've been a threat, and I've been a vet. Thought you knew that way, I'm cashing checks, I don't owe no debts, I've been through that, see you SOS. SOS, SOS, see you SOS. Need a life vest, need no mic check. SOS, 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 see you SOS. We don't talk checks, we get to it. All in for the jackpot. Every time I want the last shot. Championship ring. Rank started from a mascot. Went to Rollies from a G-Shock. Brand new kettle, no teapot. You should know I don't play. Go sicko mode like I'm T-Scott. Eagle vision from the treetops. Went to image from a green dot. Never had no limit, but I had some Reeboks. Keep it humble, but the fees not. In the game, no free spots. But I earn what's mine. Nothing less, I'ma shine. SOS, thought you was a threat. I do real life, do no tip attack. On the internet, we don't do that. See, I've been a threat, and I've been a vet. Thought you knew that way, I'm cashing checks. I don't owe no debts, I've been through that. See you SOS, SOS, SOS. See you SOS. Need a life vest, need no mic check. SOS, SOS, SOS. See you SOS. We don't talk checks, we get to it.
Little trade another day.
And you know what? If it doesn't happen, and for some reason the charts change,
Little trade another day.
and tomorrow I'm the biggest bear out there, so be it.
You win some, you lose some, but you live to trade another day, live to make another play. You win some, you lose some, but you live to trade another day, live to make another play.
Little trade another day. Little trade another day. Little make another play.
Win some, you lose some,
But you little trade another day. Little make another play.
scared money don't make no money. 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 You win some, you lose some.
But you little trade another day. Little make another
Is
play.
it the bottom yet? I'm tryna buy out everything. Not gon' get upset. Just pull the trigger, let it bang. When I see a trade, I'm hopping in like a Uber to secure my future. Up early just like a rooster. Eyes glued to the computer, looking for a bag or two. Market cipher on the screen, compliments of trading view. Now I know what I'ma do. Buy low and sell high. Even if you try and fail, at least you didn't fail to try. I don't wanna be the type of guy that let fear win. I'm the one that dive in head first and bust my chin. I know FOMO is a no-no, but I still get it in. Now I can't predict the future, but I know I'm bound to win. Later or sooner, I'll be the big kahuna. Cause I got big kahunas. I was not scared to get money, I took me some chances and now I'm the big kahuna. And if you scared, might as well get neuter. I'ma keep chasing my dreams. Wake up in mansion so big, I need a segue to get from wing to wing. Scared money don't make no money. Scared money don't make no money. Scared money don't make no money. Scared money don't.
Okay, what about now? What about now? What about now? Should be good, should be good. Yeah, I think Zoom chat, but now YouTube chat should be good. All good? Perfect. Yeah, I was saying good morning. I was saying beautiful late move yesterday. I wish I extended my trading to like 9:30, but I was cooking meal prep, so yeah, not the best, not the best. But yeah, let's have a look where we are today. Let's see what's going on, and we're gonna take it from there. We're gonna take it from there. Do you think GBP JPY will go down or up? You shall see, man. That's why you're here early, to hear the analysis. So let's run with it. So start off with the calendar here. Today is going to be Thursday today. We do have some GBP news here. Later we have some PPI. We have some Swiss franc CPI here. Not going to be too important for us, to be honest. Mostly GDP, if anything, is going to give a small move. And then unemployment claims. Yesterday's CPI was the main hitter of the week here. This is just the general stuff that we get all the time. So yeah, looking at GDP here, what are they expecting it to come back the same? It's pretty simple. Comes back better than expected. Pound goes up, comes back worse, pound goes down. That's kind of the reaction from it. So pretty simple news event. What do I expect? Not really sure. Not really sure. Gonna wait and see what happens. So let's see what our pound pair is doing here, which is gonna be GBP JPY. Start off on the daily time frame. We can see we are at daily resistance here. So we reached target over Asian. Yeah, we tap daily resistance, so we need to either continue from there or we're going to create a rejection and start to continue down. But for the session, when we investigate on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that we are closing bullish but still respecting that daily resistance. Now we were very close to closing above it, which would have given us more confidence. So right now at these levels, this is historically, not historically, but probability wise, where probably, unless you're above it, but trading below it is where, you know, it's chance of, you know, lower chances of winning trades, trying to buy into that, because we're at a double resistance. We're at 4-hour and daily. It's not going to be the best, guys, to buy at a 4-hour and daily. So honestly, I'd love to see price get above it. Now we're not too far to get above it. It is very, very possible to get above it. As much as I would love to buy to it right now, and that would be nice to be able to buy to it, the probabilities are just not there historically with my data, right? So we will see how price reacts at it again. If we keep respecting it, problem is we're not bearish bias here to rip a sell. I'd say maybe if we start breaking down heavy with news below 8-9, yeah, we could start to look at that. Would break a lot of structure. We could maybe go counter bias today and rely on the daily resistance and 4-hour resistance to hold, right? But that's basically like news would drive us down. We create a pullback and then we close below. We're like, okay, then I'm interested to take sells. Otherwise, I'm going to see what news does. Maybe it pops us back up to the top of the range. If it does, we do have a 4-hour sitting here as well. A little bit higher than where our range was. 4-hour resistance above there. We have a bit of room till the next 4-hour. See what 1 hour is saying. Clean up until the 990s. It's also key level around that zone. Yeah, it's basically key level we're looking at, right? Yeah, key level. Now the 50 makes it tough, huh? Cascading like that, that makes it really tough. 1 hour is like all the way down here, which is juicy. And then 30-minute is here as well, juicy. And then 15 is like, oh, not today. And I'm going to put a structure in there. We're going to see what news does. And then we're going to see how to tackle this. Because this is, to be honest, the best move was here at news. This was the candle, man. This was the candle. All day we were waiting for. All day. When does it happen? On when Jerome Powell is speaking. Never want to trade when Jerome Powell is speaking. You can really get beaten up by that. So that was a nice candle. Then there was another option again, that 8:30 option, right? This candle closes here 8:30. That was another option to continue price. And then we're here now. So we're going to see how price forms from there. Gold as well, 8:30, same option. 8:30 yesterday gave another option. This candle right here to fill this clean range. What time was this candle? 8:30, 20:30. You can see bottom of my screen. This was a nice move here. Nice move. And we saw price continue. Same thing on DAX, I think 8:30 as well. Check this out. What time did this candle close above? 8:30. 8:30. Every move came. Gold, GJ, and DAX. 3 at the same time. That was the move. So We're gonna see now what price wants to do. Now gold has some ranges. Let's see, daily candle here is closing strong bullish at a support. We're still at daily resistance, but we're pushing through it. 4 hour is clear as day bullish. No real pullbacks yet on 4 hour. So we're gonna see how price reacts, but nevertheless we do have bullish session bias here. So we have room towards the upside. 1 hour resistance was just tapped. So we want to see if we can push past this again. Pullback is nice. We do want structure here. 15-minute creating great structure as well. Yeah, pretty nice actually. You know, creating a pullback here. Yes, we did tap 1 hour resistance. It was not a 4 hour resistance. Maybe we can fill down into this range here and then look for the buys back up. If we see support created from here, I'm going to be inclined to probably buy above the range instead of just buy on the first support candle, which is going to be above this here. This should give me 38 pips. Great range. It's great range. It's enough to trade. So probably buy is going to be above here. That's going to be my plan for buy. It's going to take buys above this zone here. If we pull back deeper, I can look to buy earlier, even back inside this range to get to here. But right now where this candle is, not ready yet. You know, not ready yet. Especially with all these clean candles down here. You don't want to get caught into something like this, right? Where we just pop up here, retest, and then come down. And then the move happens, maybe with a wick that retests this zone. And that's where you want to be in to catch this up. If price just reverses down today, I don't have a sell plan just yet. My sell plan would probably be, again, counter bias, but going to be at least minimum back inside the range here. Where's the 4 hour support? Here. Yeah, at least back in the range. Nothing earlier. Yeah. So that's what I'd be looking for. That's what I'd be looking for. Something maybe back inside the range if I wanted to take the sell option. But right now, no. Right now, no. I don't think I'm looking for sells. I actually look for the buys above, like I said. That 19 here. 18, sorry, 18.6. So let's go ahead and look at DAX here. See what DAX is doing. Again, 8:30 yesterday had a beautiful move here. This was very clean move, actually. The way it closed above perfectly like this. Decent bottom wick. I wish we got that in London on the breakout, but yesterday London was tough. Just ranged all London, and then the real move didn't happen. Didn't even happen after speech. Happened an hour after speeches, which is not the most common time to trade. But hey, this is why you have your trading window. Don't really consider it. Just would have been nice, of course, happen in a session. But if you were trading till then yeah, there was great options that ended up coming through here. But over a year, it won't always be that case. It's kind of specific to yesterday. It has left us in a little bit of a tough spot for London for sure, because we have no pre-session range. We are actually trending, which is not healthy. It's not healthy because we want pre-session range. Range brings us a volume. We want to have a pre-session range. Pre-session range continuation, pre-session range continuation. No pre-session range here. So what should we do? This is an interesting scenario. At all-time high, no range. Wow. So obviously everything is damn bullish. 4 hour daily, everything pointing up. This 4 hour candle, not the best 4 hour candle the way we're looking. I don't like this weak close and then this pop up. Yeah, I have to figure out how to play this. Honestly, I have to hope here for a pullback, and then for this to become a pre-session resistance, and then to look for buys above this. If this doesn't create a resistance right now, it's very tough. It's very tough without this creating a resistance. Ignore it? No, we don't have to ignore it. If it wants to continue trend, it'll continue trending, but we need this to create a resistance for us. You know, we also don't want to be overly excited. I want something like that. And then we can start to mess around in here. German CPI in 15 minutes. Yeah, that's okay because that will be at the open anyways. We don't trade till then. So, yeah, problem is this move here. No problem if the move happens, but normally we create a pre-session range, which then can help us for London. So actually, since the move happened so late, we didn't have time to create a pre-session range. It's staircased up. So this is a new scenario here. Not a scenario that we've really been through all that much. Yeah, we rarely staircase up. like this, you know. So we need resistance form. Once resistance form, we're gonna get liquidity, and with that liquidity, we'll be able to continue this move probably around above 400 here. Sells, not ready for sells yet. Not ready just yet for sells. Yeah, I would love to see price come back towards this zone, create some sort of structure right now, because that's all you need. That's what you need. You just need a structure to be formed, because there's nothing you can do here just buying the highs. We don't know when it's gonna stop, but we also, in this sense, we don't have confidence that liquidity is grabbed, right? We don't have sense that liquidity is grabbed. This could be liquidity to continue London down. It's very possible today, but we're gonna suss that out. Yesterday we saved a lot of bullets yesterday, right? You were being cooked yesterday trying to buy through these highs without structure, cooked. Sell through these lows without confirmation, cooked. Same thing on GJ yesterday, right? How many people you think sold these lows here? Cooked. How many people you think FOMO'd in the highs? Cooked. Like yesterday, London was ranging, right? So we're gonna see how DAX forms. Hopefully this does look like it's trying to pull back now, so that's good. But we want to see it come a little bit deeper, a little bit more liquidity, because right now we have more liquidity grabs from the upside than from the downside. So it's showing me weakness in continuation, which does make sense at this time though. You know, it does make sense. These are overnight buyers still continuing. Bulls are still continuing from overnight, so we will see how that ends up formulating over when the European market opens, right? Give me a second. So we're gonna see. We're gonna see. So that's the analysis for today. And yeah, pretty interesting spot we are after yesterday's CPI. Pretty interesting spot. If gold can continue up bullish today, it will be pretty clean, because we're creating a pullback to continue the move. So that would be nice. The worst thing is if we just range for London again. But the good thing with that is if we range for London, unless it gave a setup and be a little bit sneaky, is that it will keep us safe from being, you know, being, what's this, part of that, basically, right? So, yeah, let's see what happens. Hope you guys enjoyed the analysis. Everything makes sense. Now we're planned. We just need to wait for the setups here. A few options we have. DAX pullback to give us structure. And gold is already pulled back, so all we needed is to start create support. So if you enjoyed the analysis, leave a like on the stream. You know the drill. 330 of us in here. Get the likes up to 150. I would appreciate that. And let's get it. If trading on 1 hour time frame, would 15-minute support matter for TP or pullbacks? Not really. It won't matter for TPs because you're basing it on 1 hour. But it would be nice to have, let's say, above your entry. It would be nice to have. It'd be nice to have 15 structure below, right, to protect your entry. 1 minute, guys. My nose is a bit congested today. Don't know what's going on. Hard to speak. Coming in your throat, you know that? Really annoying. How high do you think DAX can go, man? Wow. I mean, people first were calling 22,000. We're at 22.4. Right? I mean, 23? 23? Who knows? When analysis was find slightly hard to do analysis today. Yeah, it's hard when we've been pushed like this. I think the only easy plan would be gold today. Gold is not that hard to analyze. Tradingview news. What is Tradingview news saying? Family over 3 name. What? 15 million. Damn, this guy is cooking out with 15 million. Shit. Harry, can you please have a look at yesterday's DAX pullback after stream? What do you mean by have a look at it? What do you mean, look at it? DAX pullback after stream? You mean this? This was CPI news, brother. CPI news, this. There was no entries here. We spoke about this. We are actually going to take a trade after stream, but no structure formed. There's no bottom wick. We stayed out. We stayed out. Check the plans? Yeah, just a minute. We just did analysis. Then to check analysis again, we need to just relax. Otherwise, we're going to go all nuts here. I appreciate you always replying to the Insta DMs. You're a real one. I appreciate that, man. If you're going to, if you're gonna support and stuff like that, I'm gonna read your DMs. If you're just some asshole, then no, fuck you, you know. But that's it, you know, pretty simple. VIX vapor up? No, I don't need any of that. Analyze your analysis. Well, the way I will analyze my analysis is if my plan plays out wrong today, I will have to go back and see why. That will be my analysis of my analysis. If my plan plays out correct, it did what I expected it. So then it's good. Harry, tomorrow is Valentine Day. What you gonna do? Is tomorrow Valentine Day? I thought it was Saturday. 15th. Yeah, it's Saturday, bro, not tomorrow. When is Valentine? 14 or 15? Oh, it is tomorrow. Damn. What I'm gonna do? I mean, I don't subscribe. If you have a partner, yeah, you can do something like use it as an excuse to do something special, but you shouldn't need to remind each other of your affection towards your partner on a special day. It should be there all the time. You know what I mean? So if you're doing it with, you know, as a special occasion, you'll have to do it because, you know, you'll have to make them happy and send some stuff and, you know, all of this shit and, you know. But there should not be like, you know, you should be expressing that affection throughout the whole year. There shouldn't be just one day. You know, but you can use it an excuse to go out and have a, you know, have something, do something you wouldn't regularly do because it's, you know. So that's it. Full margin on DAX and hook is in. Peter is ready, huh? No, maybe go out for dinner or something like this. Tell a friend to deliver some flowers. Oh, great friend, this guy, huh? Deliver flowers. This. Who's the friend? I want to know who's the friend. You have to be careful still, bro. Already doing something. Oh, he's cooked, bro. You're gonna be benching very heavy the day after Valentine's. I'm telling you that, man. Man's new PR's coming right after Valentine. If you're sending your friend to your door, man, I'm telling you. I would send a company, not a friend, bro. Friend ain't gonna, bro. You know, you're gonna send a friend and it's gonna be more than friends. And that's it. You're cooked. You're cooked. Brought her flowers? Yeah. I'm telling you. It's gonna be a friend and then that's it. You're gonna get a message in the morning. Hey babe, I don't think things can work out. What? You're 10k kilometers away. This long distance shit ain't working. What? Bro, 150 going up that day. Oh, 6 reps, 150. Lightweight. You know? And then that's it. That's it. You'll have to just confess to ICT. You know? I'm telling you, send a company, bro. If you can, put the flowers in front of the door and nobody there. No one. Telling you, bro. I have good friends. The ones your friends are most likely to become your enemies. You're better to have an enemy send flowers because you already know it's your enemy. This is number one advice, man. Friend, you never know. Like that could switch. Like that can switch. You're masking your personal experience, brother. I trade GBP, JPY, gold, and DAX. I think out of all of these, all experiences has been, you know, coupled. News is here in about 1 minute here for news. So we're going to see what news does. You know? We're going to see what news does. I went to deliver flowers to my friend's girlfriend. 9 months later, she has my baby. We're married 16 months after that. I'm bad bloke. Am I a bad bloke? Yeah, man, you're a fucking asshole. I'll tell you that much, bro. Big asshole. After news, we're gonna check the plans in the group. Just want to see what news does. You guys all don't have a friend who you would trust that much? Yeah, bro, come on. Just saying, you know? Sending a friend to bring flowers. Who are you? I'm Sil's friend. Oh, is these for me? Yes, I bought them. What? Suddenly, I bought them. That's it. That's the moment. That's the moment when it's game over. All right, news came out here. Let's lock in. Not the biggest move, but is moving up. We'll see what numbers came back here. I'm trying to see these numbers here. Numbers came back as 1.5, 1.4, same as before. So a little bit more positive. Wow, 0.4 here. Good numbers. So we're gonna see that positive reaction in the markets here. Nothing crazy. 28 pips. 28 pips is nothing crazy. So we're gonna see how this news candle settle, and that's it. Now gold is now closed back at this previous 30 range. We're rejecting it. If we can get back in the range, two things now can happen. We could look for this and then close above here for buys, or we can close above there for buys. Two options now for buys. Above A or above B, whichever one it wants to do. Let's have a look at plans. 2 plus 5, setup 1. Setup 1 probably late, but yes, it does make sense. Like by the time setup 1 happens, it's probably end of move for the session. But yes, New York, that could be an option. Daily target hit, tough inside the range. It's lower probabilities. I have not seen them work all the time. You just have to accept the lower probabilities. Yep. Like I said, same feedback. Pullback buys, same feedback. Same feedback about this one. Yep. Nice. Waiting for structure. Yep, would be good structure. Let's see if the structure is formed. We're going to have a look at that now. Good. Bullish bias, wait for S2. So in the range, same analysis I discussed. You know the problem with that. That daily and 4 hour being at double resistance sucks. It's a tight range this for buys. Yep. Even here, man, even focus a little bit closer, you know, no need to be so zoomed out. This is big range, right? Just from here to here is 38 pips. From here to here is over 50 pips. So it's a decent range to trade in here. We don't need to go so deep, you know. But you said it kind of here. Above all time high, closure, pullbacks, yeah, structure. Yeah, structure. Yeah, inside the range is going to be tough today. So I see that all of you guys right inside the range. Yes, it makes sense, but it's tough. Moon. Structure, yeah, we need structure. Above this would be fine. One hour for here. Yeah, we have to be careful again in the range, but otherwise fine. Buys above there, yes, correct. Pullback buys, correct. Cook that target. Yeah, it's good I identified that. Dax, what is your mission to break out? Man's pissed, he's writing at the chart now. That's it, you know you're cooked when you start writing at the chart. His analysis is to write at the chart. Valentine's dinner music playing? Nah, man. This is some normal beats. Yeah, we just need structure. Deeper pullbacks. Again, all in this range, difficult. You need to identify target tapped. Very important. All in this range, difficult. This one, yes, identify above the 1 hour as well. Juicy buys above, yeah, but probably late. That's it. Cool. Let's see how DAX is done here. DAX is always messing us up. Do we really have to go on this candle right now? Ah, we have a 5-minute structure here. Maybe just a 5-minute breakout. Oh, it's scary. But maybe we have to, you know, scared money don't make no money. So, shit. That might be the option, guys. Like, if volume comes through, we might just have to risk it for the biscuit. I mean, we have profits to play with from the beginning of the week. So maybe I can go not full, not half, in between, 0.75. Even if I lose that, I'm not losing because, you know, this is you know, something we can do. This time always has loss or BE on DAX. Which time? You mean that the clock time? Or this scenario? $11 AM to 11:30? No, I think 11:30 is good, man. If you go see 11:30 is good. Check 11:30. 11:45 good, 11:37 good, 12:30. See this one. 11:45 good. Well, it's because we don't get a lot of setups before that. 11:28 good. 11:20 good. 11:05. The biggest trade came at 11:05, so we can't say that. It's not enough data anyways. It's only a couple of trades, it's not enough. But look, 11:05 best trade. Best trade I've taken on DAX came at that time. So surely even if you lose 1 or 2 trades here, since your biggest trade came from this time, means that it will pay back for those. Guys are still getting cooked on this conversation. Sil is full insecure, man. You have chess today, Sil, in gym or something? Or he's saving it for tomorrow, I think. My wife will get irritated if it's silver instead of gold. This holiday hurts me. I need a winning trade today. Legs, oh no. Everyone's cooked, man. Everyone's cooked here. Watch the markets treat us bad on Valentine's Day. You know, it's always gonna break our heart. Watch. Just how it works. It's 2 a.m. here in Jamaica. Damn, man. Party's just getting started. 2 a.m., bro. What are we saying? Up till sunlight, brother. Up till sunlight. I think I'll be okay taking a buy above the 5-minute resistance with a 5-minute close. And then on top of that, we'll have the 15-minute close. It is risky for sure, but I don't see any other option. And if this shit just wants to keep continuing up, it's not like I'm seeing low volume. We do finally have some sort of liquidity grab here. So it's my minimum, but it still allows me to take a trade. I do know the risks, but I don't see any other option. If this doesn't play out, I don't think price will continue. Like, I think we'll just lose this trade and that's it. Price will range for the rest of London. You know, the only other option is that you just don't take this trade here today. And that's it. That's a plan you can make, but I don't know. I don't know. It's a tough one. I mean, if you're playing it full ultra safe, yeah, you don't take it. But we're here to take risk, you know. What do you typically eat? Mostly chicken and rice, beef and rice, oats, just basic stuffs, you know, the fundamentals for healthy diet, man. Then you measure that stuff out, right? Chicken, rice, broccoli. Yeah, of course you can add broccoli. Do you eat pork meat? I don't. I don't like beef. I'm against violence. Yeah, that's the biggest bullshit I've heard. Man, eat beef yesterday. Such a liar. Seems like a no trade session for next couple of hours. I don't think so. DAX is already trying to break out. So gonna give it an option. It'll happen in not a couple of hours. Happen in a couple of minutes. Not a couple of hours here. A couple of minutes. Capsa is pretty good. Yeah. Where you at right now? Dubai? Yes. Just had a double beef burger, was valid. Does sound pretty good, man. Alright, 5-minute candle closed here below. No bottom wick, no top wick. Pure volume, guys. No pullbacks. Really hope this can give us a pullback like this. And then the next one, close above. This is what we want right now. Close above on broker? No, let's see how it looks on broker. But I just don't like... There's no 15 close and no structure anyways. I didn't close above on my broker. See Zoo? Yeah, I didn't close above on my broker. Yeah, it's not above. It does have a bottom wick though. For me, it's below. So I can't. And even without the 15-minute close, it's like this is just ultimate FOMO for me. Unless you want to try ultimate FOMO. Close below on my broker as well. Yeah, for me, it's below. What can I do? I have to follow my rules. What can I do? Plus, this is not a setup anyways. Even if this closed above, it wouldn't make a difference. You have to put stops all the way below this wick. 46 points. Yeah, not even 1 minute structure. Don't like gold? I'm waiting for gold, no? Gold is still at the bottom of the range. See, it's right at this range here. Previous 30 minutes as well. It's not yet for me. I either need this candle to close bearish, the next one close above, or for price to get above this 15 here. Yeah, DAX is probably going to be hard for us to get in, eh? I don't even think you can get in on 1 minute. DAX close above last candle. Yeah, if it did for you, some people it did, some people it didn't. For me, it didn't on broker and on TradingView. And there's no 15-minute close anyway, so no structure as well. This is not a good trade, regardless, especially at how high we are. No pre-session range. It's hard. It's hard to just say, okay, I'm gonna go right now. Like I wouldn't have done it, regardless. I don't know what's causing this DAX push this early. It's not even open. I got into a losing streak and draw down after having a nice winning streak, and I know my confidence is to execute. Got back as when I started. What should I do? Realize what's changed. You have to realize what's changed. All of these metal tariffs definitely influencing it, yes. Can we trade DAX in NY session like we trade in London session? It's just random volume. NY is not as consistent as London, but there's a way to trade DAX in NY, yes, and it's going to be mostly based on what happens in London. Will allow you to trade DAX in NY. Yeah, the more I see this, the more I like trying to buy gold above 18. Harry bhai, कैसे हो? Some Indian audience here. Hey, मेरे हिंदी मालूम है. आप कैसे हो bhai? Of course, Indian audience here. Ready. German CPI affects DAX? True. We just had German CPI. That's facts. That's facts. We just had German CPI. I'm so stupid, man. Of course. So this is from German CPI. What did numbers come out though? Why don't they show us? Should come out good, right? Where is it? Let's see. Where is it gone? Oh, there. Came out the same. Came out the same. DAX, just pull back a little for us, please. Will you learn German if DAX treats you good in the future too? Yeah, of course. Of course. We'll teach you German. I can speak already fluently. Already. German is same as English, bro. No chance. No chance German is the same as English. What will be the first song you learn in German? Rammstein. No. We'll learn Rammstein. Du hast. Man with taste, I like it. You see, come on, man. German family of husky. What? What does a husky have to do with the German? GJ went through the whole range. Let's see how GJ is doing. Oof. Yeah. I wonder what we'll do with this 4 hour here as well. I think GJ is the toughest today. Gold and DAX look better. DAX is even not helping us too much. But DAX could form structure. We're still early in the session. But come on, DAX. Can you just like give us a 5-minute something, man? What's this? DAX. Gold is slow today. Gold is still forming structure. Like, this is what we want. This candle can close bearish. Next one close above. Looks good. What's WSP? What does WSP stand for? WSP. What's WSP stand for, guys? Come on. I'm maybe not up with the latest stuff. What's WSP stand for? I scalp on 1 minute. Which broker or prop firm do you recommend? What's up? Oh, really? Why are you lazy to write what's up? What physical exercise does it demand to type what's up? Come on. Or just type hi. H-I or W-E, not H-E, you know, Y. Hey, same amount of letters. Shit, man. What are we gonna start shortening? Everything? I swear. We're gonna start speaking in 3 letters only. This is how can you send me the chart is gonna look. It's gonna look like this. This is how can you send me a chart. That's how we're gonna start speaking these days. This is can you send me a chart. Really? You know? That's how can you send me a chart is gonna look like. Only joking, brother. Only joking. To answer your question, depends on where you live, though. Depends on where you live. Prop firms is going to be hard to scalp on 1 minute. Most prop firms have bigger spreads. So you have to find a prop firm with lower spreads. But who knows if they pay out. For me and prop firms, I think the most tried and tested one is FTMO. If you're living in Canada, Carson can help you. And Gmail. But 1 minute scalping is the problem. It's not really the broker the problem. Broker's not a problem. Prop firm not a problem. The problem is actually the 1 minute scalping because, you know. What's short term of XAU USD? That's already it's shortened. I mean, some stuff can be, you know, some stuff can be shortened, no problem, you know. But what's up? Shorting it to USP. Like thanks, at least TNX, you know, thanks. It's still, if you read it, it's the same thing. Even on a live account, 1 minute is bad? No, on a live account, you're fine. Prop firms is where you're going to have the issue. Prop firms is where you're going to have the issue. Yeah, futures will help you, man. Futures will help you. That's true. If you're trying to trade Forex, like Forex pairs, yeah, you have a problem. But if you're trading futures, like if you're trading gold, if you're trading stuff like Nasdaq, SPX, US30, any one of those three, or any futures pair, then you can just trade your 1 minute on futures. IC market prop firm called IC Fund, is it trustable? And it's a massive company, but no one talks about it, which maybe is a good thing. We'd have to see. You need to see their rules is more important, but I don't think they are fully together with IC markets. I wonder how their spread is. Yeah, I would just stick with FTMO, but I wonder how they, because if they use the same data feed that they use for regular IC market, that's great. Have you tried 1 minute scalping? We have the 1 minute scalping strat. That's the only time I will use 1 minute. In the past, I only used to, trade 1 minute and got cooked. Harry, can we do some kind of gambling while passing prop firms? You can, but you might have to buy maybe 6, 7, 8. If you get really unlucky, man, you're gonna be like 10. You know, that depends on luck, right? You can go like 4%, 5% risk actually, and just pick a direction and try get a 1 to 2, you know? It's really hard though. Knowing me, I would get cooked, you know? If I did that, I would get cooked for sure. Like, most prop firms will allow you to pass phase 1 like that. But man, I would get cooked like that. Really, I would get cooked like that. Even if I break my plan, everyone else breaking my own plan gets away with it. I break my own plan, I lose. All right, we're making our way up to this line. Let's see if we can close above. 5 minute structure it's creating is quite nice as well. 30 minute about to close in 5. I mean, based on 30 minute, this makes sense, man. Just based on 30 minute itself. My favorite quote of this year is never bite the hand that fingers you. You're watching too much of that Chinese guy, man. Great marketing scheme. Okay, I'm going to tell you something very cool though. This is very cool. Remember, those who know me, remember I started that lighting business? I used to sell lights, right? This was the company that we white labeled. I have direct, that LC sign was the company that we were white labeled with. And I used to deal with that guy. So before he even blew up like that and started selling like this, we used to be the white label of that. So that's who used to supply us of our signs. I have all invoices from them, everything. That was us, LC sign. So for those who know that was our supplier. Five-minute under potential, guys. You need to DAX. DAX is just gonna make you cry. You'll buy this and then lose, you know. Do you incorporate AI features in any one of your businesses? Yeah, we have softwares like for Pip Labs that use AI to basically help collect data on user experience on our platform. But there's no user. Also, our procedural data on Pip Labs, like I said, on Pip Labs we have the feature where we can make future data, right? So you can practice trading in the future and prove your strategy. That was used AI. We use AI to help us with that. But speaking about Pip Labs, guys, today is actually a giveaway on Pip Labs. And I was going to post it on stream, but I'm going to post it now. So I'm going to post this now. We have a giveaway for today where this is done on Pip Labs Instagram. So hopefully you guys can win. It's pretty simple. We'll be announcing the winners maybe in 2-3 days. We're gonna post it now. And all right. Do you see my DAX trade workout yesterday? Why did you go B? You went B, bro, not me. Guys, I just posted it on Pip Labs Instagram. So that's it. What are we doing? I'm gonna show you. It's gonna come up now once it posts. All right. Good luck. Pip Labs Instagram giveaway now live. Let's see what's gonna go on. Let's see. Pip Labs Sim. Here's our Instagram. We just posted it. So this is the giveaway. 5 monthly subscriptions. All you have to do is follow us, like the post, and then comment so we can pick you, right? That's how we're gonna pick the winners. I'm gonna send the Instagram here in the chat. Good luck to all. I said Pip Labs was gonna do a giveaway, so this is our giveaway, and good luck. Hopefully you guys can win 5. This is pretty good, man. 5. All you have to do is comment, and that's it. We'll see what goes on. Good luck. When is the result? 2 days. So we'll see. Nice little fun giveaway. Make sure to leave a like on this stream as well. Be subscribed to my channel so you can be updated. So we are creating some structure on DAX. I wonder if secondary options will make sense here. Like, can we take another buy above this 5-minute high? I mean, it's pretty high in the move here. Oof. Scary. It's scary to do it, but maybe might be the option. We're gonna see. Let's see how gold is doing right now. Oh no, that's terrible news. That's terrible. Are you joking? No bottom wick open? Fifan, bro. Fifan. Which is the correct logo? What do you mean by logo? I pinned the message pinned. Do you consume caffeine? Why not? Yeah, pre-workout I use caffeine. What pre do you have? Just espresso. We can buy the breakout. We could, yeah. We can buy this close above here. Let's see where the 1 hour is exactly. We could, but it's just a shame. Like, I really wanted to trade from here up. Really. No bottom wick as well. What is this? 1 minute candles? Yeah, well, come on, bro. What? What are you doing 1 minute candles? You know? So I really wanted to catch that buy above. Sweden? This is a Swedish word, yes. We'll post it for the guys who don't watch stream. Do you still buy that 15 big rejection wick? No. It's too hard now. And look at it rejecting, almost coming back all the way to entry. Can you please show me an example of cascading support? I lost a lot of trade because I haven't mastered it. No, it won't make you lose a trade. It will just make it hard to enter. Cascading just means that the 15 minute is higher than the 1 hour, etc. You know, but it won't make you lose a trade. No, just make sure to do your top-down analysis. It will just make it harder for you to enter a trade. Okay, DAX is nice that we're pulling back at least. Hopefully this can continue. Saw an interesting article on gold where central banks are exchanging their paper gold for physical gold, which is driving the price up, more paper than physical. Yeah, I think that's been happening, but they're kind of making an excuse. Alright, change of structure. If we start to get above here, I think we will have a chance to buy DAX here. It is a little bit scary at these highs, but a shot is a shot, right? Like, there is volume present. Man, doesn't make our life easy, but... Wow, guys, look at gold, man. Completely flipped, made its bottom wick. Who said bottom wicks were not important? Who said bottom wicks were not important? Came all the way down, retraced a 40 pip move to make a bottom wick. This is my point. Anyways, we're going to announce the giveaway probably, maybe even tomorrow, depend on how many entries we get. We'll probably announce it either tomorrow or the day after. Tomorrow is Friday, so I think I will announce it tomorrow, guys. Yeah. Tomorrow, I will announce it because it's Friday. I'm not going to do it over the weekend. I'm going to do it tomorrow. So we're going to announce it tomorrow. And you guys will get your subs. Good luck, good luck. Make sure you like the stream. Giving away free value here. Shout out to Pip Labs. And yeah, let's get it, guys. Remember the big giveaway we have as well, man. It's too many giveaways, man. Giving away too much. Cancel all giveaways. Now, but we have another giveaway at 600 viewers as well. So... if you guys are enjoying the stream, I appreciate you showing up. Pleasure to have you. Let's see what we can cook today. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, markets. Show me some good stuff. Give me same power as Monday and Tuesday. Come on. Anyways, I'm gonna go to the bathroom in the meantime. This should bring some volume, so give me a second. All right, I put in the call. First time watching a stream, what are we taking today? Well, looks like DAX is trying to set up here if we can get some movement into London here. Potential. Gold was like, I mean, you'd be technically kept safe. We were looking for buys above here, and that's still valid, guys. We can have a wick fill now, so it's not absolutely ruined. There's still the chance for that wick fill. You can see price here. Close like this in 5 minutes. Next candle close above. It's a wick fill. We didn't tap target. You had 587 viewers yesterday. So close. Yes, very close to the 600 giveaway. So the one thing is yesterday everyone was supporting the stream. So I think it helped, right? Leaving a like, stuff like that. That definitely helped yesterday. We started to see it climb up a little bit. But very close to winning some funded accounts and stuff like that. How long into the live stream did it take you to reach 500 views on YouTube? Well, before I used to have 800, but live streaming in London, it kind of dipped off when the whole futures thing happened in US, and then some other live streamers kind of cooked themselves. Once they got cooked, they kind of dragged their audience down with them, to be honest. So you get indirectly impacted from that. And secondly, some people don't like to win, right? They want to chase the next hype thing. They quit. And of course, YouTube algorithm plays a role into that, right? If I look at how many new people are watching my stream, it's 10%. The rest are reoccurring viewers. So YouTube algorithm also plays a role. All of that comes together, especially when crypto pumps. The YouTube algorithm starts to push crypto related content and start to pull back on the trading related content. And then when crypto starts to dump, people now trying to look, okay, I lost money in crypto. I'm not making any more money in crypto because crypto's dumping. Let me try find what I can do with the markets. Then they discover trading again. So it's all a cycle. The name of the game is consistency, right? So I don't remember how long it took me to get 500 viewers consistent on a stream. Definitely took me at least a good 100 plus streams. I'd say maybe 100 streams or so. I think my first ever stream was 3 years ago. 3 years ago, and then 2 years ago I started consistent streaming. See, 2 years ago I only got like 600 viewers a total per stream. And this was already when my channel was, I don't know how big my channel was. Who is watching me since this time? Shout out to you. I know some people in the exclusive were here since then. I put crab market. Crab market. We had crabs and lobsters since back then, man. This was the OG thumbnail. Bring out the crabs. You remember it. Yes, sir. This was the OG thumbnail. We ran this thumbnail for a long time. I think there was a day where I got a shout out from someone. I got a shout out from someone and we had like 800 viewers on stream. But yeah, we have total 825 videos. From Lorenzo, yeah, it was either Lorenzo or Don. Remember once Don talked, someone brought it up there. I was learning back then. Nice. I remember Crabs and Lobsters. Been here since summer 2023. Summer 2023, we were running hot with the GJ. GJ was very. That's what. Because look, I was never a guy to post lifestyle and stuff like this. I mean, here and there, I post some lifestyle just to share with you guys. I don't do it out of flex purposes, but to share and to enjoy the experience and to, you know, document my own progression. But realistically, my whole thing was built of value. So I always thought to myself, how am I supposed to show my ultimate value? Was just to trade live in front of people, you know? And that's it. That's what I did. And I came in with the mindset that I either mess up completely and ruin my image, and I learn from that, because my goal was to be good at trading, right? My goal was not to, okay, I need to grow my YouTube to X. I need to be this popular, that popular. I said, well, my goal here and the original goal was to be good at trading. So if I'm really going to force myself to be good at trading, I think I'm good at trading. So let me just do it live. At least I can show that. And if it all goes to plan, and if I'm actually good at trading, people will see that. And I think looking back at it now, even if I did fail, I think that would have been, fine. That would have been a lesson, you know? That would have been a lesson. You know? Have you traded your trading style since then? Since the first stream, no. I've traded the same way since the first stream. You go back in the first stream, look at this. I mean, small adaptations, yes, but let's go back and see. Let's go back and see an old video here. This is a setup 3, guys. This is a setup 3. 3 years ago. 3 years ago, taking setup 3. GJ. 146. The price of GJ was 146. Oh, man. Should have left a runner. Should have left a runner. Price of GJ was 146. But you can see in this trade, there were some mistakes here. My mistake is, first of all, stop loss is shit. It's a shit stop loss. Long term, this stop loss actually hurt me. Right, so I would have losing weeks, losing months because of this stop loss placement below current candle. Yes, it gives better risk to reward, but it was really hurting me. Is really hurting me, right? Because if this candle just flips, retest the lows one more time, especially with such a small bottom wick, it's a problem. Right now we tapped key level here, so that's something I didn't notice at the time. That's why we're struggling. So as long as something closed above key level, it would have been fine. And then I moved to break even here. No reason to freaking move to break even here. This is a stupid break even. This is like a scared break even, right? Because what? I'm barely any pips in profit. I'm barely any pips in profit. So why do I need to move break even here? I should be moving break even at structure. So some small stuff, but the core is the same. This is only small stuff, you know, but that comes with time, right? Gold at 1,700. Yeah, bro. Nuts. Did you learn trading from Raja Banks? No, I didn't learn from him, man. He trades price action. One thing I did try from him was impulsive entries, but it never worked for me. It never worked for me. There was a time where it was working, but then it never worked. I tried that, you know, but it didn't work. Maybe it's just not my personality, an impulsive trader. I just like the confirmation because I was always getting caught out. Let's see if gold can close above. What time does this candle close here? 12 minutes. Oh, we still have 12 minutes. But this beautiful liquidity grab to the lows. Now, this is, yeah, man. I hope we can survive 12 minutes. 5. Should I push it on 5? I don't know. Don't know if I have the balls to push it on 5 right now. 57 pips. 57 pips for 35 pips. It doesn't make sense, chat. Doesn't make sense. This stop loss would be a lot better here. Look at this. This is like 33 pip stop loss for a 35 pip target. I like it. DAX, I want a 5-minute close above, man. 5-minute close above for DAX. We're creating lower high, lower low at the moment. So let's get a change of structure there. Give me a good trade. Press buy and sell. Whichever one plays out, that's the one. Or maybe I should start doing. Maybe I should start doing. What other influencers do is I just take multiple trades across multiple pairs. One of them have to play out, and you boom, you know, you put that in on the screen. 1 hour resistance you haven't marked? Yeah, I'm not worried about this because it's the same as my 15, right? It's the same as my 15. So by the time we get above there, it will be the same. I do have it marked. Come on, guys. Don't be mean to me. Can we survive 12 minutes on gold here for the buys? Come on, gold. Be nice to me. Be nice to me. It will also be the 1 hour close. So we'll have a 1 hour setup 1, 30-minute setup 2, and a 15-minute setup 1 now. Oh. That would be good in my books. In my books, that would be good. No pissing or driving for 10 minutes. Okay. Harry, conduct a trading competition and make giveaways for the winners. That will be more engaging. Maybe we should do a trading competition. But the problem I have with the trading competition is that we will be focused on the trading competition, not on my trading. So I'm here to trade. So if, let's say, in the session we're trying to run a trading competition, it's going to be tough because, you know, I have to trade in between it. So we're going to be running a trading competition and I'm there trying to concentrate, lock in on my own trades. Harry, for Robin Cups. They have crazy percentages on Robin Cups. I think they must be risking a lot. Doubling down. Martingale. Trading competition in Pip Labs. Pip Nails. Man, you need to just check how you're a Pip Nails. How do you miss Pip Labs to Pip Nails? But yeah, wink wink. Should do a competition on Pip Labs during that time you aren't trading? Wink wink. There's a reason there's something called ranked mode. What if you schedule the trading competition in a time zone you don't trade? Yeah, but then I trade all the time zones that I'm awake during the day, I'm trading. So I trade London, New York, right? So the only time zone I don't trade is Asian, but then I'm sleeping. So how am I supposed to host the competition? We should do it maybe if I'm done early for a month. Like it's been a banger month and I want to stop. That's a great way. It's a great way. We could do it like that. We can do it like that. Are you still trading LTAs? What do you mean by LTAs? In terms of my clean candle zones? Yes. I haven't changed the way I trade. I've been trading the same way for 3 years. I just showed you a YouTube video of where I traded the exact same 3 years ago. Well, slight differences. Should do NY, there's lots of volume. Maybe we can do the competition in NYSE, you know? I don't know. Is 10% a month possible or unrealistic? Very possible, especially risking 2% is not hard at all. I mean, it is hard to do it consistently, but it's achievable. The problem with 10% a month is not every month you might hit 10%. You might chase that 10% and end up losing more. So you have to make sure not to push it like that. Risking 1%, you can see my averages. My averages will be around 5%. Have you always taken your entries on the 5 minute? My entries are not on the 5 minute. They're based on 15. I just look at the 5 to get some sort of confirmation. Trading makes our mind restless. Depends, man. Once you have a plan, it's pretty relaxed. Like now I have a plan. I'm just waiting for either gold or DAX to do something. Want to just check what GJ is doing recently. We're getting above the 4 hours. So actually GJ looks not bad as well here. Let's see where we have some 15s here. Actually, no, I changed my mind. Looks shit. I changed my mind. But that looked nice the way that price action is forming. It does look nice the way price action was forming. I mean, how many pips do we have to here? 20 pips is not bad actually. So if something closes above there, it's not bad. 1 hour time frame, same resistance. 4 hour time frame should be the same, right? Hi, what's the name of that rapper or that song? Scared Money Don't Make No Money? Just write Scared Money, crown with a K. Go comment, Tradesharpe. Go comment. Shout out to him. He let us use his songs in our stream, so that's cool. One day we were playing his song in stream, so he must get alerted. X user is copyrighting your song because I played his song on stream, and all of a sudden he pops up in stream. Yo, what's up? He must have got a notification. X is using your song. So he popped up in stream. I'm like, yo, bro, I'm using your music. I turned, monetization, all that was off. And then he's like, I'm like, can I use your music? He's like, yeah, boom, whitelisted. So now we have his music. So shout out to him. $550 viewers here, almost at 600. Almost at 600. To get the giveaway. Not bad. I want to see if we can... I don't really care too much about giveaway. Sorry, I'm being honest. I rather have a trade here than a giveaway. Giveaway, I lose money on giveaways. I don't make money. So if you're asking me which I prefer, market, please give me a trade. Because I don't want to entertain a giveaway. I lose money on giveaways. Trades at least... Well, I can also lose money on trades. That's the problem. So I could be double screwed on one day. Which will not be fun. But hey, most of the time we're not. Man... First 2 days of the week were great, man. Great. Big moves we got on DAX. But now it's being a little bit tricky. 8:30 p.m. yesterday, Dubai time, was great. Was great. There was one good move yesterday. The whole of yesterday was shit. We were ranging. Look at GJ. GJ was ranging. Did nothing. 8:30 p.m. markets woke up. Markets woke up and said, today we're doing some good shit. You see? 8:30. This candle hold. Not this was news candle, the next one here, because news candle you can't trade this one here. 8:30. Same thing on DAX. DAX best move yesterday. 8:30. Wow. Check this move. Clean as well. 36 points, nothing too crazy. For how much? 100 plus points. Wow. Right, DAX pulling back for the open. 5 minute lower highs, lower lows. So we need to reverse that. Sometimes I've noticed DAX will give one big candle like that. Well, not that color, obviously. This color. One big candle like this. Boom. Then the next one close above, we can take that. As long as there's some sort of 1 minute structure in there. Damn, gold. Why is so boring, man? But this is just shows you why it's important to wait for closures. Very important to wait for closures. Again, that 29.18 level, looking for close above there for buys. Buys above there if we can get a close. But this is just shows you that waiting for closures is avoiding us from losing a trade. I can't tell you how many early buyers would have bought here, expecting price with volume to continue up twice. Once we saw it with a wick rejected, went down, stopped them all out. Now you can see again, induce them into buys, boom. They're not waiting. You need to wait for confirmations, and sometimes, yeah, it will push through, but that wasn't your trade, right? The part, okay, right? The part of having a strategy is not the goal to take every move. It's to take your move, right? And that's the edge in the market, is that you're able to decipher and take a move, right? That's the difference. It's brilliant, Harry. Seriously strong 4-hour low, you're the man. Yeah, it's just keeping us safe, but it's just a little bit boring, right? It's boring because we wanted to get above so we can take a buy here, right? We want to take a buy. Oh, DAX actually, that's nice. Big rejection on DAX. Open now in about 3 seconds. Hopefully the open doesn't fly. Okay. Okay. We could get a close above on DAX. How big would it be to run full stops? 70 points. Wow, DAX is not playing, huh? Okay, DAX. Sorry. Exactly, bro, Harry. Most of the traders do not comprehend that the fact that the markets is a large piece of cake. You just need to be patient and wait for your strategy to play out to get a piece of the cake. Exactly. You can see we were very patient, and then 2 days you get blessed, you know? Like, I was patient here for 3-4 days, right? This was weekend, of course, but 3-4 days I was patient, right? Another 3 days. Look, from 7 to 10. 7 to 10, 3 days I didn't take trades. 3 days. And then I get 2 trades, 50 points and 21 points. Just like that. You know? So patience pays. Patience pays. It's a good saying. Like, simple as that. Patience pays. It does. Would you prefer to create an account with raw price or zero commission? Raw price for me, because I prefer lower spreads. Guys are artificially pushing the stream viewers up. They're artificially pushing the stream viewers up, trying to cause me financial loss. How do you deal with 4K risk? No, it's not 4K, bro. Relax. Shit. I'm thinking 4K. Not yet. JJ 4-hour close above for buys? Yeah, it could make sense. It could make sense. Not the 4-hour, this little box, because it's, look at the 15 mess here. You want to get above that 15 mess. I like to participate in Instagram and in giveaway, but I don't have Instagram account. Damn. Maybe make one. Doesn't take too long. I appreciate everyone showing up to stream. Let's see if gold will be nice to us and give us something. 12 minutes again. 12 minutes again. 12 minutes again. Let's see if we'll get something. Make sure to subscribe to the stream, guys. We stream Monday to Friday. If you'd like to see the trades we take on stream, be my guest. This is in the description. Full 1.5 year plus public journal. From entry to exit, right? No random stuff. All there for you to see. Enjoy it. Make sure to leave us a sub so you show up tomorrow, guys. The day after, hopefully, and all that stuff. Bro, what's the difference between your monthly subscription and your mentorship? No, my subscription is my mentorship, for example. So in my subscription, we have, first of all, you're watching the stream on Zoom, so no delay, nothing there. After that, we have all of our discussions. So the whole point of basically the group is for you guys to apply the knowledge, right? So you get a course as part of the group just to make sure that you have all the advanced concepts. It's a little bit more depth, a lot more topics, but the main focus is you watch those topics and then come back to me, speak to me, ask for feedback, and you get that kind of you know, almost that one-on-one, you know, attention here, you know. Viewers dropping at 596. We're cooked. I promise I'm not touching viewers. I promise. I promise. You guys are just not pushing. It's like a resistance. It's like they know. I promise it's like they know. It's literally full resistance we have there. You guys were so close, man. 595, which was better than yesterday. It was 597, yeah. Nah, man, 3 viewers away, man. 3 viewers away. I promise I didn't touch it. You can't be cheating with Zoom, bro. You're such a cheater. 597 is the... Man, now you're cooking everyone, bro. We lost 40 because of you guys. But yeah, you can read more information about the group in here. There you go. Just so you, so I don't have to explain myself. Gold, are we gonna make it up or what? Or are we just gonna range today? Is that what we're planning? Dax, what are we saying, Dax, man? Views are dropping in each subway surfaces, they're climbing back. People are getting interested. It really is connected to the market. When the market looks like it's close to a setup, people tune in to see if the setup is actually happening or not. $270, yeah, it is decent. It is decent. Now Joe is trying to get a giveaway with, he's trying to find ways. He's like, you know, that's decent. I think we still, that's the sentence I'm looking for. I found his sentence. Guys, don't push it. I'm gonna have financial loss at 600 here. Couple of $100 trying to get paid here this morning, man. Are you crazy? That's why we're pushing. I'm just gonna charge you double next month, no problem. Bro, 590. I don't know what you guys are doing at 590. Hey Harry, can you please show your marking for GU? Just want to cross-check my marking. I haven't marked up GU. I haven't marked up GU. Even GJ is rejecting now. I'm happy to take GJ if it closes above though. 6 minutes, bro. Gold, you have to wake up in 6 minutes. Wake up, Gold. Wake up. Bring some volume, bro. Asian, you're cooking. Late New York, you're cooking. Last 2 days, London, sleeping, bro. Bro, we have... Bro, what a legend, bro. This guy is trading... Bro, you need... Bro's down bad, man. He's downgraded his setup to 1958. But this guy means business. He has the order book open, guys. He has the order book open. His image is so bad quality, it won't allow me to zoom. Look, I can't zoom in his image. That's how bad it is. That's how old it is. I can't zoom. Pro's using MT1. That's why I'm not giving a give. Guys, you cooked today. You cooked. You cooked, man. 597 and 3 people couldn't get in. Man, what a shame. Man, this the way gold is moving makes me want to counter trend, man. I mean, you know, counter trend sells. DAX retraced the whole move this morning. At some point we needed a big pullback like this, but it could have given us buys before. Fifan, man. Not making our London sessions too... everything is moving a bit down now. Bro's got the biggest smile? No, I don't. We want to grow, no? We're so close. I don't mind. I love giving giveaways. Just now I gave 5 giveaway to Pip Labs. What's the counter trend scenario for gold? It would be basically just a close below the support actually. But I don't know if I should be taking that or what. Well, preferably below this. I'm gonna make the decision soon. We're just... 48 is too steep. No way I'm selling gold here. As soon as I click sell, it's gonna go up. You know it as a fact. At least you're not ENS, bro. This guy took the best sell of the year. This guy took the best sell of the year, bro. I've never seen anyone snipe that good. We can look for gold sells to retest previous daily resistance. Yeah, but this zone ain't no joke, man. We're just bouncing between this zone. Up, down, up, down. I feel like, if anything, we might get a liquidity grab up to fail or a liquidity grab down to fail. Like, it's being tricky here, guys. We need to really understand that the market is not on our side today. It's just going sideways. DAX is pushing down here. This 4-hour candle, doji candle, starting to show its weakness. But we retested bottom of the range. Sometimes DAX, that's all it needs now. Retest bottom of the range, we can find our way back towards the upside. 50-minute candle closing bullish will do it. Counter trend sells play and EU would prefer change of structure since bias is bullish. Let's see how EU is doing. Yeah, it's a nice setup. 4 hours very strong bullish as well. Daily is not the strongest bullish, but 4 hour gave a lot of confidence for that buys, right? Closing above. But yeah, it did give that. 1 hour even close back in the range. It's a tough one, eh? It is definitely a setup for counter trend. Harry, do you ever make your oats with water? Forgot to buy milk. Want to have pre-workout meal? I never make my oats with milk. I make my oats always with water. Are you mad? Bro, how do you have appetite for that? 120 gram of oats, bro. You're gonna make that with milk? 120 grams? You, bro. Shit, man. It's heavy. Heavy, bro. Maybe I'm on 4-6 calories. That's why. You know? Bro. Mess up your stomach as well. Like, it's so clean. Try it with water. Guys, do you know how oat milk is made? Oats naturally release milk-like substance. $4K plus calories only for pigs? Bro, be quiet. There's 4 accounts named Tradesharpe who wants to add me on Discord. Fuck them all. They're all scammers, bro. Report them. They're all scammers, trust. Bro, but you have to make it how you make it. You make it in a pot or you make it in a microwave? You have to tell me now and tell me fast. Microwave? Okay. You put it in for 1 minute, then stir, and then put it in for another minute. Oh man, now gold gonna eat up our selling range in the last 30 seconds. Selling range is gonna be eaten up in last 30 seconds here. Big 5-minute candle moving down. Whey protein has too much glycemic index for me. Try isolate, pure isolate. And make sure you know what water ratio to put. If you have scales, if you're cooking 120 grams of oats, 120 grams of oats, without making the scale zero. Without making the scale zero, put it to 500 water. So what's 500 minus 120? 380. 380. So 380, you know, 380 grams of water. So 120 oats, 380 grams of water. What's a Skyer bowl? Man, what's going on, man, bro? Is it the biggest cheat? I need to check that shit out. Oh, it's natural yogurt, but like 50 grams of protein? Ah. I like this top wick. Yeah, the problem is filled our range, bro. Hopefully this can fake out. It's not easy this today. It's not easy at all. DAX, we have 15-minute close, 30 minutes. I'm going to wait for this close and see what happens. 30-minute can leave a rejection candle. This would be what my plan is. JP trades. I need to probably give the giveaway to JP, bro. This guy's been pushing. This guy's been pushing. Alright, fine. Either way, JP's gonna get something. JP's gonna get something because this guy is really pushing. JP also said this, don't forget. Oh, shit. Maybe he ruins himself. Uh-oh. Ban him. Maybe. Let's go. No. No. He writes let's go and now he writes no. US30 and SPX dropping. Yeah, US30, SPX pretty hard to trade during London, but they are moving nicely here, man, right? It's moving nicely. What's bias today? If we look at bias, previous 4-hour bullish, previous daily bearish, so you could take sells. So a good sell option today would have actually been this candle here closing below the support. Didn't close actually below the support. Damn, maybe hard to get in. No, yeah, it might be hard to get in. Then I guess your next option is this 5 close below, but yeah, this thing closed below the support, made it hard. Let's see, SPX maybe gave you an entry. Both, wow, make it tough. Gold been playing around? Gold is annoying, bro. Gold, look, it's right back in the range already. On 30 minutes, it's just gonna be a wick. This is just gonna be a wick. Remember what I said? Price fake out back in potential. Oh man. Chat. What are we gonna do? 10 minutes. 10 minutes. I'm waiting. Otherwise, I have to call it here. 10 minutes. Can DAX close bullish? Only shot for today. And even that shot, I'm like, ugh. I mean, all our 3 pairs are being tough. All 3. GJ is now stuck. We need GJ to leave the 4-hour resistance. NY could make this pretty nice, to be honest. NY could make this pretty nice. Gold is just really messy. Would you trade US 30 and US 100 during London session, or are they not volatile enough? I think long term, by far, NY session going to be better for US 30 and for US 100 as well. Long term. I can't hear Harry on the live no more. Damn. Don't know what's going on. GJ ranges are tough for NY. I think you can play that 20 pip range above this box. To this next 4 hour. I think I have to call it here, guys. Look, this is a mess. Yeah, let's keep safe. Let's keep safe. This is how you make a decision quick. But there is one setup that can form in 8 minutes. But I'll take that with the guys in the exclusive if it happens. But I'm telling you now, you need to listen, guys. DAX, if this candle closes bullish nicely above here, it's an option. It's an option here. So keep an eye out on that. Keep an eye out on that. But if that comes, I'll be taking it with the guys in the exclusive, kind of like yesterday's option. So we'll see. But I don't want to. I want you guys to build good habits here. I want you guys to build good habits and learn when not to trade. Part of being the trader is ability to know when not to trade, preserve profits. I made 2.5-ish% this week already, and I need to preserve that, right? I need to preserve that, not 2.5, 2.3, whatever. But I need to preserve that. How am I going to preserve that? Right? Is I am going to make sure to take trades that matter. Like, what am I seeing right now? We're seeing mess. Gold struggled, pushed through randomly. GJ struggling. and DAX struggling as well. No continuation until maybe support, but those are my 3 pairs, you know, and this is how it is. So we need to show up tomorrow and we need to kill it tomorrow, and hopefully something happens. It might happen a little bit later. Look, we have NY session, so I'm hopeful for NY session, because even DAX, I might look at DAX today for NY session. I'm gonna update the guys in the group. I'll include my NY analysis guys today for DAX if I think it's gonna set up. And we're gonna have a look at GJ and gold as well for NY session. So, and we'll keep an eye on late NY today, late NY. So unfortunately a little bit of a wait here, but this is how it is, man. Not every day is gonna be a massive day. We have Friday tomorrow, which is still good, and I hope you guys show up tomorrow to stream, catch us taking trades, see how I take trades, see how I manage win or loss, and just show up for the long term. That's where you're gonna really see the performance. That's where you're really gonna see and learn how it works to trade. If you don't understand how I trade, go ahead and check my stream journal, and you'll be able to see all of my trades taken live on stream here and see how we've been doing, man. I think in the last 2 months here, since the beginning of the year, we've had 3 losses and multiple wins, so can't be really upset about that, right? So yeah, take care all. Gonna catch you guys hopefully tomorrow and speak to you guys hopefully very, very soon. All right, take care and peace. How do we get into exclusive? That link's in the description. I'll post it for you here, save you time. But yeah, I still have that. One person hasn't joined since that time, so still have that, and then I'm gonna shut it down. But you can see 68 in Zoom. We are not tons of people are not coming in, so once that happens, we'll close it up and open next month. So appreciate you all and speak to you guys hopefully very, very soon. All right, peace, take care all, and much love. Hopefully catch you soon.